Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a JNI error in Java Minecraft server. So what you need to do here, first, you need to open up your browser, then you need to just write Java Development Kit, and then probably it will be the first link by oracle.com. So click on the link here, then you need to select the latest version of Java Development Kit, and then select your operating system and download the installer. In my case, it will be MSI installer here, and just save it to your computer. And once you save that, then you should get a setup here. So what you need to do here is to open up, press next, install, and after you install this thing here, what you need to do here is to launch your Minecraft server, maybe restart your computer, and after that your problems should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.